So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another problem to fix. Did your Pixel suddenly show zero signal bars after installing Android 17 beta? Before you start troubleshooting your career, replacing your SIM card or resetting network settings, there's something important you should know. For some beta users, this may be a status bar display bug rather than a real network problem. Google's Android 17 Beta 4.1 release notes mention a fix for an issue where the signal indicator could incorrectly show no signal even when connectivity was still working. Let's check whether that's what's happening on your device. The first thing to do is to test whether your phone is actually lost service. Try opening a website, using mobile data, or send a message. Use a navigation app. If calls, texts working normally, then the problem may be limited to the signal indicator shown in the status bar. There is a much better situation than an actual network outage. Next, verify which beta version you're running. Just open Settings, System, then Software Update. Check whether Android 17 Beta 4.1 is available. If you're running an earlier beta build, you may still have the signal indicator issue that Google addressed in the newer update. Review the available updates carefully and confirm the version number before proceeding. Now, if Beta 4.1 available, prepare for the update properly. Beta software is still test software, so having a recent backup is always a good idea. Once you're ready, install the update through the normal Android beta update process. Avoid downloading random updates and use the official update delivered to your enrolled beta device. After the update finishes, give the phone time to complete setup tasks, then restart the device if needed. Once the phone is back on, check the status bar again. Look for signal bars, mobile network status, or career information. If the issue was related to the beta bug addressed in Beta 4.1, the signal indicator should now display normally. You can also repeat your connectivity test to confirm everything is working correctly. Now, if you're already on Beta 4.1 and still seeing the issue, try to note whether calls work, whether mobile data works, or whether the problem happens constantly or occasionally. Then open the Android Beta Feedback app and submit a report. Feedback from beta users help Google identify remaining bugs and improve future releases. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.